Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit KTM filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some examples photo before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure 0.10. Contrast plus 10. Bring the highlights -25. Shadows -30. Bring the whites -20. Go to curve and follow these settings. After that, go to color and bring the saturation -50. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the hue -23. Saturation +100, luminance -10. Next go to orange. Bring the hue -54. Saturation +100. Next go to yellow. Bring the hue -100. Saturation -50. Next go to green. Bring the hue -100. Saturation -95. Next go sky blue. Bring the saturation +20. Next go to blue. Bring the hue +90. Saturation -100. Luminance +34. Next go to purple. Hue +100. Saturation -100. Luminance -34. Next go to pink. Bring saturation -49. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity +5. Now go to details. Sharpening +25. Noise reduction +25. Color noise reduction +50. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.